Hi everyone, Chef Adam here. We're doing some desserts now. This is going to be the avocado chocolate mousse. Very simple. We got avocado, we got chocolate. We're going to sweeten this with dates. We got a little salt. We're going to make our own almond milk, do the easy almond milk like I showed you earlier. And that's about it. So we're going to start with the almond milk portion, where we put water in the blender. It's like a half cup water, 2 tablespoons of almond butter. This is almonds and water. I'll put the lid on that, blend it up real quick. Okay, now we'll start adding the other good stuff. Okay, the dates go in there. They're gonna need a little time to blend. And avocado. Get that ready. The dates are definitely gonna take a little time to blend in there to liquefy them. So I'm gonna do that now before I throw the avocado in, so we don't have a chunky cut to that. Okay. You guys at home that don't have a high-powered blender like a Vitamix, you're gonna want to either soak your dates for at least an hour in water before blending them because the dates are a little tough on the blender. Or you can just use the liquid sweetener of your choice. Okay, avocados goes in the blender. And the trick to making this taste like chocolate mousse and not like avocado with some chocolate is 1, putting enough chocolate in, and 2, putting enough sweetener in there too. When you finish making this and you taste it, you can adjust it accordingly. If it's not quite to your liking, add a little more sweetener or add a little more chocolate. And we're using raw cacao powder. This is not like the Hershey's chocolate cocoa. This is cacao powder. This is raw chocolate. It's the only thing in there, lightly processed and full of all those antioxidants that you get from chocolate. Chocolate is a superfood. All right, scrape down the sides. Put a little cinnamon in. I'm a big fan of cinnamon. You noticed it's in like every recipe, but it's because it's good stuff. Helps with circulation. It's a nice way to add a little sweetness and warmth to your recipes. Okay, I think we have everything in. Now it's time to blend. Now, if it turns out you like this recipe, I recommend making a double batch, and that'll make it blend a little easier. With the single batch, the blender has a little trouble getting it all to mix up. I see a couple little chunks of avocado that still aren't blended. But let me taste, see how. Oh yeah. There's enough chocolate in there. So we had 3 dates in there. If you feel like you need to add a little sweetener, you can do the liquid sweetener. towards the end, I'll add a little bit of agave, and then this is good to go.